question 9, graphing systems in slope-intercept form. Consider the system of equations shown. We have y equals 4x plus 3 and y equals negative x minus 2. Let line AB be defined by the equation y equals 4x plus 3 and line CD be defined by the equation y equals negative x minus 2. Let point E represent the solution to the system of equations. Graph the system of equations and identify the solution. On the online test, you'll graph both lines and then put a point at the intersection. So basically what they're wanting you to do is graph this equation and call it AB, graph this equation, call it CD, and then put the letter E where they intersect. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start with y equals 4x plus 3. So the y-intercept is positive 3, so I'll put my dot on positive 3 here. The slope is 4, which means I'm going to go up 4 over 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. I'll also go backwards for a couple points. So 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. So I was able to fit 4 points on here. I will go ahead and connect them with a straight line and call that AB. So I've got it labeled AB. Now I just need to do the other line. So I've got this equation, y equals negative x minus 2. So this time I'm going to start at negative 2, which is all the way down here on my y-axis. And then the slope of this one, remember, so if there's no number in front, you can put a 1 there. So it's negative 1. So I'm going to go down 1 over 1. So from the point that I made, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, and I can go as far as you want, but if you notice, if you go backwards 1, boom, that's where they intersect. But I just need enough to get myself a line. They wanted me to label this CD, so I did. And they just wanted to identify the solution. So here's where they intersect, and they wanted me to label that with the letter E. That point, by the way, is negative 1, negative 1. So that's the solution to this system of equations.